I didn't wash this life jacket. Ooh, ooh, this is fish right here. Muskie. Yep. Oh, nice. Big old smallmouth. Oh, God. Jeez. Oh, my God.
Look at that bull shark.
Nice. Back on the river today, but today is the weather's perfect. Water's a little stained, which is fine, but the weather's in the mid 70s, and we just got like 4.5 inches of rain in one night. So I'm thinking that these fish are going to be pretty active, but I am going to try to get a muskie today. Freaking got out on the river and forgot my net. Go get my muskie net. All right, I'm getting pulled over. Thanks, buddy. That was Tommy. That's my buddy slash contact for the Corps. I always get a hold of him to make sure the water levels are what they're gonna be. Now, if I didn't know him and I just heard that, I would be freaking out right now. But it's gonna be fine. I kind of want them to hurry up and do it, because right now it's just really shallow. Let's see if we can actually see the water coming out faster. Normally you'll hear a change in sound. Yep, there's a little bit more water coming out. I see it now. All right, here comes the fish. Hopefully, this might not do anything. I've used bladed baits for about an hour now, and I'm not catching anything, and I quit getting bites. So I guess I'm gonna go back to the Ned rig, the old faithful. I think that's New Money or California Crawl. It's got sparkles like glitter, called the sparkles, to catch the sunlight. But it's darker, so it'll stand out in this dark water. There it is. First fish of the day. Feels like a halfway decent bass. Gonna jump right under the boat. Man. Man, he's digging hard. Jeez. How is he digging so hard? I've never had a largemouth fight this hard. Get in there. Nice. That's a solid largemouth right there. Yeah. Picture time. Hard fighting largemouth. That's all it took. All it took was a color change. Switch it up to Wacky Rig Cinco. Today I'll probably sling for them for a little bit, you know. Don't tell nobody. If they hear it, they won't bite.
The biggest smallmouth I've caught is 22.
22? That's still a good one.
22.
There it is. I don't know if you remember, but back in 2004 it flooded real bad.
Yeah.
And I was wade fishing boat gunnel that holler and caught a 22-inch largemouth. I sight fished it, and I sight fished it with a little micro popper that I bought off that guy that used to sit on 801 and sell baits out of his truck.
I know who you're talking about.
He sold me that for $3 that day, and I went out and caught. It's still to this day my biggest largemouth. Watch me catch a muskie.
Yeah. I'm here.
Yeah. Put on a jig or something. Actually, that's what I'm gonna do. Jig time. Hopefully it just stays as a drizzle. It's gonna be hard to keep water off the camera. I'm gonna put on a black and purple and blue flake jig, because I feel like black's gonna stand out in this stained water. I think I've got a trailer that'll fit it too. There it is. It's called a pocket chunk. That hook could use some work. I'll have a razor sharp in no time. There it is. Slide that bad boy on there. Get to work. A little bit heavier jig, so it should go down the bottom good. Oh yeah. I got you that time. Man. Nice fish. Nice fish. I've got a really nice bass on right now. Come on. Get off that log. Oh, wow, he is really trying to break me off here. Please tell me you didn't just take me under that. Okay, he's still on. This guy is really trying to stay in the thick stuff. Oh man. Well, these are hefty fighters right today. Nice. Hey, that's not bad. Look at that. Something down your face like you smacked a muskie bait or something. Can't beat that. Thank you, buddy. Sorry your face is so messed up. I'm gonna keep the camera angled down just because it keeps sprinkling. What's up, Jeff? Yeah.
I'm about to drift into you.
It's alright.
Kind of can't stop it right now. I'm getting my Ned rig hooks out. Forgot that I had this thing all jumbled up in there.
I didn't wash this life jacket. Ooh, ooh, this is fish right here. Muskie.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
Muskie, muskie, muskie. Hey, am I beeping? Am I flashing?
I can't tell. Well, I was about to ask if it's rolling. Look up here real quick. I don't see anything flashing.
Yeah, it's flashing.
Okay.
All right. Hopefully he'll stop. He won't jump.
Answers my question about throwing a jig on.
Oh, he's a nice one.
Yeah, it is. Mid-30s.
Dude, you're good luck.
I can hit him if you'd like me to.
I should be able to get him. I knew as soon as he hit that, that was a muskie.
Well, as soon as I saw that rod flex, I was like, oh yeah, that's definitely not a bass.
Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah, get in there.
You got him.
Right on the stick.
What were you just telling me? The less prepared you are, the better your trips are. And as soon as you get some reinforcements, some food, there you go.
I'm so stinking happy right now.
There's just a little grin on your face right now.
I've been wanting to catch a jig muskie all year.
That's a very pretty muskie.
It is. Its colorations are amazing.
Yeah.
Flip over, flip over,
Got him.
Yeah. There you go, folks.
Look at his tail.
Good looking muskie. Wow, look at that tail. You want to hurry up and get a picture?
God, he has had some chunks taken out.
I know. Got it?
Yeah, I took several.
All right.
Might have another muskie, I'd assume.
That or when they flip their tail, when they stalk them. Look at those colors though, dude.
I see that eye now.
Yeah, the eye that's not good on the side there.
I like his black bottom jaw there. You see it?
Swim off. Swim. Oh yeah, look at him booking it.
Yeah.
Nice.
What, 35?
Yeah, probably 35, 36.
We'll see if that knot will hold.
Finally got a jig muskie out of this hole up here. I've been trying for so long to do that. I'm so glad that Jeff was here to witness it and help me out. So photo creds and best friend award goes to Jeff today. You know what it was, don't you?
Monster Energy?
Yeah, I went Kyle, dude. So stress-free right now. Jeff, let's catch a 10,000 pound smallmouth to finish off the day, man.
I mean, I was going to be okay with a 9,000 pound, but I mean, okay, let's do it. Let's set that bar high.
Dude, I wish you could have felt that thump. It's like somebody took a wiffle ball bat and just hit my, oh, here's another one. Are you kidding me? I just had another one. That had to be a bass. That was a solid fish, though.
It sounds like I need to go cast a jig on that side.
Hey, that was a muskie, man. He chewed up my line. That was it, a muskie or a walleye? Big walleye. What is going on? Yeah, that was a muskie because he chewed up my line. Hey, bite window's on right now, man.
Apparently.
That felt the exact same as that other fish. No, but it felt like somebody just hit my rod with a wiffle ball bat. Just came up and just thumped the crap out of it. And when, you know how sometimes you're afraid a bass will drop it when you lift your rod?
Yeah.
It was pulling line as I was lifting my rod. Hey, check it out, bald eagle right here, right above us. Yep, look at his head. See the tail?
Okay, now it's good. Well, the way the shadow was hitting it, it just made it look one color.
Yep, that's awesome. I may do a Cinco over here. Oh man, these rods are giving me heartburn. And there it is.
Hey, there's a tree up there, bud.
Oh yeah.
So, but you know there.
I'm gonna hit it again just to prove my point. That blue heron down there looks like a pterodactyl. perched up on there. I'm trying to turn. And I'm up in the tree. I smell lovely though, if you were wondering. Ooh. Gotcha. I gotcha. It's a spot. No, that's a largemouth. Oh yeah, there's another one. Yeah. Huh? Yep. Yep. That's all yours, baby. I'm gonna use this new bait that I bought off of for the Z-Man. God, I can't talk, I'm so tired. What is that? The boar hogs. I re-rigged up my fluoro. I'm basically Texas rigging this boar hog. It's made by Z-Man.
Not 3 pieces.
Is that? Did you just make fun of me?
That one I may have. There we go.
Scared me. Woo! Gosh, scared me.
Stay out of that. Stay out of the...
Oh, watch your rods. Man, I had one sitting here just chewing while I was watching you. Yeah.
Doubled up.
Doubled up, son.
Like yours is bigger. It sounds bigger.
I don't know. What? Oh. Nah.
Yeah, yours is bigger.
What is going on with all the sores on these fish?
Oh wow, look, I just know, look at the patterns on this thing. Oh. Look at the smallmouth patterns on that.
Oh, wow. There we go. Good picture. Healthy fish too.
Oh yeah. Like I said, this
Bass or muskie? Is it? I'm coming. Check your drag. Give him some drag, bro.
He wrapped me around a log down there. As soon as I felt it. I should have just went for my net.
Is that a jig?
Yeah. I felt him wrap it around. I mean, he just barely got it wrapped around.
Was he very big?
540.
When they do that, I just open my spool and just thumb it. Oh no. Did you have a leader on that one?
Yeah.
Well?
You weren't lying, dude. That's like a freaking truck on that jig.
Yeah.
As soon as it hit the water.
Boom.
Yeah.
Gonna call it a day after that. Finally got a kayak muskie for 2021. Hopefully there's many more. But I knew as soon as that fish thumped, I knew it was a muskie. Felt so good too. Swam off, didn't take any time to land it, and took hardly any time to get a picture with it and put it back in the water. So I love jig fishing for muskie. You always hook them in the top of the mouth, and it's just a fun way to do it. Anyways, headed back to the ramp. Going to call it a day. Thanks for watching.